Good day everyone, this is Jarjar once again and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking black pepper beef and pan-fried spring rolls. The first ingredient to prepare would be capsicums. Cut the capsicums into small pieces. The next ingredient is the white shimeji mushrooms. Cut them into small strips. Next, I would be using beef collar shabu shabu meat. I need to cut away the tendons and fats to make it easier for my elderly mom to consume the meat. I would then marinate the beef with lots of black pepper, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Add a bit of water so that the beef would absorb the corn flour better. I would pan fry the spring rolls first. I usually do this with a small fire to avoid burning the skin of the spring rolls. Dish them out when the spring rolls are golden brown and cooked. When the oil and garlic are ready, saute the black pepper beef for about 30 seconds and dish it out for later use. Stir fry the shimeji mushrooms and capsicums next. Add black pepper and oyster sauce for taste and continue to toss the mix well. Add some water, cover the pan and simmer it for about 10 minutes. When the capsicums and mushrooms are soft enough, add the beef. Give it a final toss and the dish is ready to be served. The black pepper beef and spring rolls are ready. It is time to eat. Thank you once again for watching my cooking video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye!